Welcome back, guys. So first thing I'm going to show you is how I do the original claw clip hairstyle. I actually find that it is easier if I put a little elastic in my hair. It makes it so it holds the front when you kind of pull pieces out for texture, and it just kind of gives more of a stable base. So after I go ahead and pull some pieces out of the front, I go ahead and take my claw clip and I do a twist. And then I'm just going to secure that right over the elastic so it covers it up, and it just gives a really cute fanned out look. I wear my hair like this all the time. Alright, so next up we're going to take out the claw clip, and I'm actually just going to move up the elastic into the center of my head, give it a twist, and this time pull down. And this is going to give us more of a messy bun type of look, so when we secure it like this with the hair pointing down. And it's just kind of a good way, just kind of another take on the claw clip. All right, next up we are getting rid of the claw clip altogether. And we are going to get a regular hair tie. I just use a black one. You can use any one that suits you. And we're gonna leave out some pieces at the front and then gather your hair into a high ponytail in your hands. So how I make a messy bun is pretty simple. So what I do is I wrap the hair tie around, but I don't pull the ends all the way through, and I just create a bun. It looks different every time you do it. You just kind of have to play with it and see what works for you, but that is how I do my normal messy bun. And we're gonna add some fun here for spring with this cute yellow hair scarf. These are really big this season. You can pretty much find these hair scarves anywhere. And I'm just gonna tie it bandana style on top of my head. And this is look number 3. Super easy, so cute. All right, so this time I'm gonna be gathering my hair into a half ponytail up on the top of my head, and I am gonna pull out pieces from the front. I think that just looks the most flattering on me at least, but you could totally slick your hair all the way back for this. Just whatever your preference is, but as you can see, I like to pull out a few pieces, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just secure that ponytail with the hair tie, and then just give it a nice pull to make it tight. All right, and then grabbing that same hair scarf, we're gonna tie it from the front to the back, if that makes sense. You can kind of see that I'm tying it and it's in the back of my ponytail, and this just kind of makes it lay down better. So I'm just gonna tie that around once, and I kind of tuck the things underneath the hair. And this is gonna be hairstyle number 4. All right, again, we are gathering half of our hair, but this time we're not gonna pull out on the top of our head. And let's go ahead and grab that claw clip that we used before. And I'm gonna give this a twist, but this time downwards, and then just secure the claw clip, and that is it. Just a simple half up hairstyle. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of a twist on this one that I just showed you. Go ahead and we're gonna grab our hair in the same exact way, and we are gonna twist down again, but this time we're going to flip the twist up. It's kind of a half up version of the first style that I showed you, but I think it is so, so cute and one of my favorite ways to wear my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!